Today we are going to be recreating this particular picture step by step. That includes food styling, composition, and of course, lighting. The camera that I'm going to be using today is a Canon 80D. On it is a kit lens which is 24 to 135. The product that we're going to be shooting today are these cute little biscuits called as little hearts. Now let's talk about the props. The first thing that I'm going to be using is this mini plate thing, and I'm going to basically fill this thing up with the biscuits and style it in a way that I keep one biscuit upright in order to draw the most attention to it. For a person who is viewing this photo, his first look should be directed towards that little biscuit. Now to add a little bit more texture to this composition, I'm gonna add a piece of rope in front of the subject to create a little bit of foreground. So that brings us to the lighting portion, and I'm gonna place my key light on the left hand side pointing down towards the subject. Hopefully this works. Alright, so the subject looks good, the foreground works. Now let's talk about the background. I'm gonna place a wooden box behind, and in order to create that beautiful golden bokeh that I really want, I'm gonna be using this wrapper right here of the subject. You know, this is a pro tip. The wrapper, don't ever throw it away. It can help you out in creating that little bit of golden bokeh effect. And let's shoot a couple of pictures and see what it can produce. So now that you have got a permanent setup, mess around with the lighting, with camera positions. There's no like a set rule book of creating something. So you guys can just experiment around this setup to create your own style. So hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. If you did, please share this video in your circle. It really is gonna help me out with my target of reaching 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully we do that. That's about it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. And subscribe if you haven't.